A new bill to help people rebuilding their homes after the Gray and Oregon road fires now making its way through the Washington state legislature. KREM 2's Nicole Hernandez is joining us live right now. So Nicole, what do homeowners need to know?
So Channing, the biggest thing for anyone rebuilding their home after the Gray or Oregon road fire is that you have to have your rebuilding permit submitted by March 15th. If you don't have your permits in by that day, this bill will not be able to help you. So originally, Washington state lawmakers had tried to pass a bill that would just completely exempt people rebuilding from meeting 2024 Washington state energy codes. But instead, this new substitute bill will now help people rebuilding pay for the upgrades to meet the energy codes. Some homeowners would need to put an extra $30,000 into their rebuild to meet the new code. So this bill will be giving grants to help with those extra costs. They'd first go to low-income households. John Altide is rebuilding his home after the fires, and he's excited about the potential for the grants.
We're all community. We all want to come back. And, you know, those who are grossly underinsured, yes, take care of them because they got to get back. Whatever it takes for you to get back in the house and back to, as you said, back to normal.
On top of the grants, the bill also gives people a break from some of the new energy code. This new bill passed through the House yesterday and is now in the Senate. The bill then has to make it through the Senate and back to the House by this Friday, and then the Washington legislative session actually ends on March 7th. In Spokane, Nicole Hernandez, KREM 2 News.